How long will foreign nationals continue killing South Africans, and South Africans are expected to do nothing about it? The recent news of an arrest of an alleged shooter and killer of DJ Waras, a Mozambican national or foreign, a Mozambican national, Amindo Jakila. Yes, Amindo Jakila Pakito, something like that. The fellow appeared in court on the 2nd of February for killing DJ Waras. And DJ Waras is not the first prominent South African to lose his life at the hands of merciless